Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode, I'm going to share something with you that will help you improve your carpet cleaning using one simple product, Encap-Punch. Stick around to find out more. We developed Encap-Punch several years ago. It was one of our early products, and the reason why we put Encap-Punch together was we wanted a product that would provide the muscle, the punch, of a good pre-spray, but could be used with encapsulation without messing up the encapsulation properties. Here's the thing, if we were to use a traditional pre-spray with a product that dries down brittle like we have in the Releasit encapsulation detergents, you would invariably mess up the dry down. That crystallizing component would turn to jello, it would not dry down properly, and we'd have a mess on our hands. So here's what we did. We took everything that makes a pre-spray function, the wetting agents, the solvents, surfactants, everything that makes a pre-spray work well, and combined it with a polymer package. And we really had to play with that to get it to work properly so that we'd get the proper dry down, to get the encapsulation component right, and still give us the punch, the muscle that we need from a good pre-spray. And that's what we have here with Encap-Punch. We have a product that cleans well. For example, let's say you had a very heavily soiled traffic lane. Use Encap-Punch to pre-spray the traffic lane first, and then use your normal Encap process afterwards, whether you're using a Cymex, an orbital, a rotary machine, a CRB machine, using a product like, for example, Encap Clean DS2. And here's what you'll find. You'll find that you'll be able to clean faster using Encap Clean DS2 and use less solution. So you'll actually kind of get back what you're putting down by the Encap-Punch, but it's going to be that much easier. And best of all, it's going to dry down perfectly. You're not going to mess up the encapsulation properties. It's a CRI approved product, so it's safe. If you're looking to follow the guidelines of CRI, you're going to really like working with Encap-Punch. Check out the reviews on this product. Our customers love it. It's been around a long time. It's definitely a rock star when it comes to good encapsulation pre-spray coupled with encapsulation. In fact, this was the first encapsulation pre-spray that came to the industry. Others have tried to copy us, but really there's just one Encap-Punch. So check it out. I'll put links to this product below. Share your comments if you have any questions, if there's anything we can do to help you. That's what we're here. We want to help you max your Encap. That's what we're doing here at Excellent Supply. So thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you would, subscribe to our channel, and like I said, share your comments below. Until next time, thank you for watching Encap TV.